This is a work problem because you've got two machines working together. So I've set up a chart, and the first column is the time it takes, and then the second column is rate, and that represents the machine's rate working with another machine. So it says machine A and B produces 800 nails in X hours. So together, they work X hours. Working alone at its constant rate, machine A produces 800 nails in Y hours. And we're trying to figure out how long it takes machine B to make 800 nails working alone. So I'm going to call that Z. So if you want to represent machine A working with another machine, you just take the time it takes and you take the reciprocal. So 1 over Y. And B would be 1 over Z. And then together is 1 over X. So if you've got machine A and machine B working together, you're going to show that by plus. 1 over Y plus 1 over Z equals 1 over X, which is working together. And we want to solve for Z. So we want to clear our fractions. So you look at your denominators and figure out what your least common denominator would be. And it would be X, Y, Z. And you want to multiply every term on both sides by X, Y, Z. So 1 over Y times X, Y, Z. The Y's cancel and you're left with XZ plus, now multiply by 1 over Z. Of course, those Z's are canceled and you're left with XY. Then here the X's cancel and you're left with 1 times YZ. Let's solve this for Z. Move over here. So that's XY equals YZ. I'm moving this over. I'm subtracting it from both sides. Minus XZ. And I'm trying to solve for Z, and I see a Z there and a Z there, so I'm going to factor it out. That leaves me Y minus X. Solve for Z by dividing both sides by Y minus X. So there's Z's rate in terms of X and Y.